Myntri Jakarta Tourism Jaka Sorkar Pdeng Kajian Rasing Shekhawat Hakalai tarik mentau benai ulali Jngoh Yaka Southwest Khasi District Manipek Yaki Jaka Jngohkai Kiba Itanat Juga Tiga Thai Di Bukentup Yaka Omshit Apo Jakram Kamarang Lang Bat Kiwi Dia Ki Jaka Kibrang Ki Jaka Kibuju Kring Ba Yaki Brio Haba Kipoi Shaka Tei Ki Jaka Kadi Ka Jinglet Jung Kajian Rasing Lesan Lang Ru Dau MLA Jung Kamakurat Uba Renik Dan Lung Dok Tongkhar Ki Officer Negara Tourism Bat Kiwi Dia Kiri Orang Ba Kentup Ru Iki Pai Ba Nong Snong Kibadan Hakiti Kisnong Hakamakin Ki Jaka Jngohkai Ki Don Hai Ka Jinglet Jung Myntri Rio La Ben Pek Ru Yaki Jing Internet Jing Itiang Jung Kamarang Hakati Ki Jaka Makna Takadau La Pun Pau Ka Jing Sokman Haba Opoi Ki Jaka Ki Ba Kum Kini Nakabau La Ong Ru Ba Deitang Lemba Ka Tourism Dan Ki Jaka Jngohkai Ka Balak Ben Kyntiew Yaka Yok Ka Kon Balak Ben Kyntiew Yaka Kamai Ka Kaji Kemudian Ben Kyntiew Yaka Rika Par Ki Jaka Ki Badan Kamtan Ki Jaka Nok Kendong Kaliang Jung'u Ulang Bekas Sorkar India Puak Kajalam Ju Nandra Budi Dan Pek Ben Kyntiew Yaki Kam Jngohkai Partai Kenang Bagi Pai Bakin Yok Jeng Mentoi Bada Ka Juga Por Kan Kenshan Yaka Jeng Im Ki Jeng Ki Baman Ka Ski Kumna Mea Badan Ki Jaka Ki Badan Ki Ikiang Kemunia Kum Kajalam Mekhalia Ka Bujidan Yaki Jaka Jngohkai Ki Baitanat Baka Mariang Ru Ka Pasatanat Ban Syong Bansa
Heritage, beautiful locations, beautiful weather, and the development of tourism is going to bring a big change in the life of the local communities. Their economic wealth will rise, their living conditions will be changed, and I wish that in coming future the tourism will become the driver of the economy of these northeastern states. I wish everybody a very good success and a beautiful life ahead. And once again, I would like to thank all the artists who have performed with the beautiful song and the dances and the music here at this scenic, beautiful place. Couple of memorandums have been given to me by the villagers, the head of the village society, by the local MLA, my friend Rinekkan, and by the principal of the college and management committee of the college. I'll certainly put forward those memorandums to the right place, to the right officials, so that further action can be initiated. But as I mentioned, and yesterday night when we had discussed during the dinner with Chief Minister, my friend Conrad Sangamaji, we discussed a lot about harvesting the huge potential and beauty of Meghalaya as far as the tourism is concerned. Government of India under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi ji is committed to develop these northeastern states and the potential of the tourism in these beautiful states. With these words, I once again thank you all for organizing this lovely, unforgettable, memorable moment for me at this beautiful place. Thank you very much.